welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell, I just bought my first real motorcycle. This thing is a 2023 Yamaha R7. I just picked it up off Facebook Marketplace a few days ago. This thing looks so clean, guys. With clutches, already has a SC exhaust on it, and it also has the tinted windshield as well. I really like how the all black looks. She's got about, let's see how many miles it has on it. About 6,300 miles on it, so that's not too bad. I know these engines are really reliable, so 6,300 miles is not horrible for this. So if you guys have been subscribed to the channel for a long time, you guys are probably wondering, Dylan, why did you buy a real motorcycle? Did you get rid of the dirt bike? So I'm gonna be going over all that stuff today, guys, and we're gonna be doing the first real test on the R7. I wanted to do the intro at the gas station because I know it's only got like a quarter tank. Gas is $4.41. That's actually the cheapest I've seen it in a long time. You gotta put that good stuff in. I don't even know how many gallons this thing holds, to be honest. That should be good. It is very nice having a key again, too. I'm not having to worry as much about people stealing it. Oh, yeah. This thing is so much more aerodynamic than a dirt bike. It feels like a bullet. So for the people that have been watching my videos for a minute, you're probably like, dude, where the hell is the start? I know a lot of you guys aren't gonna like this, but I did end up selling the start. The main reason why I kind of had to sell the bike is because my new neighbors literally kept calling the police on me. And then the police are like, dude, if you keep riding it around here, we're gonna take it from you, we're gonna give you tickets and that whole thing. So that basically put me in a position where it's like, okay, well, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to either bring the Stark to like different towns every time I wanna make a video, or it's like I could street legalize the Stark, but do I really wanna street legalize an electric dirt bike? Like that just didn't seem worth it to me to pay for all the registration and everything. I gotta remember to use my turn signals more. I kind of like forget to do that because I was so used to the dirt bike where obviously there's no turn signals. This thing's pretty quick. Oh, this is a nice road. But yeah, guys, like if you look at all the biggest YouTube channels, like they're not just riding one bike. Look at like the Seaboys, or look at like Saranster. I know some of you guys are gonna be upset the fact that I don't have the Stark because you guys love that bike, but it's gonna be okay. Like I'll definitely get one again in the future, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be really good for content because I can bring this thing to so many more places than I could with the Stark. I guess not like off-road places, but I'll be able to drive this distance-wise so much farther so we can go check out new towns. Let's cruise through this neighborhood. This is a really nice neighborhood. These are some big houses in here. I guess they added that too. I had the Stark for a year, so that's like by far the longest I've ever held onto a bike, and it treated me super well. I have nothing bad to say about it at all. It's a great bike. Kind of chill little back road back here. Wait, hold on. Oh, that was a chicken. Look, there's chickens. There's a duck too. He starts running away. I would say this bike's not necessarily like a crazy fast bike, but it's still a quick bike. And like I said in the beginning, this is my first ever like real motorcycle, so I didn't want to get like an R6 right off the rip. I know some people do that, but I was just like, dude, I know myself and I'm probably gonna end up hurting myself, so went with something a little more tamed. I think this is like that perfect in between though for a beginner that has a little bit of experience on bikes, because like, I don't know, like a CBR 300 or a Ninja 400 would have felt super slow. It is an absolutely beautiful day out here today. It's probably like 70 degrees. That's like my favorite temperature. See, how does it feel to stand on this thing? Oh, that feels weird. That feels very weird. It's pretty quick. Oh, this is one of those roads too that's like super dirty. Dirt is not our friend on this thing. Alright guys, so now let's get into the specs of the Yamaha R7. This thing is a fairly light bike. It weighs just over 400 pounds. I think it's like 415 pounds. There's so many leaves back here. And this thing is about 74 horsepower. And the top speed on this bike is around like 140. 689cc 2-cylinder engine. So since this thing's a 689cc 2-cylinder engine, it's like barely even considered a sport bike. I should probably also mention, guys, this is only the second time I've ever rode this thing, so I am a complete noob. I had never rode one ever in my life until I bought one. There's always deer back here. I'm praying one of them doesn't run out in front of me and just absolutely T-bone me. See, they got the deer signs right here. Look at this, guys. It looks so beautiful with all the leaves changing. October is definitely my favorite month in Illinois. Another thing to look forward to, guys, is Alex also has a sports bike, so we'll be able to ride with him. I just have to get a cardo so that we can talk to each other. Alright, so let's go over my first impressions of this bike. There's a little dog staring at me. I am still definitely oh, there's a bee on me. Oh my god. I definitely got to put a lot more time on it before I actually feel comfortable. I really like how the bike sounds with this SC Project exhaust. It definitely sounds a lot better than stock. I always feel like an idiot when people are watching me do this. They probably just think I'm talking to myself. I do want to make a mod video on this, do like the top 5 mods to do to the R7. Let me know in the comments what type of content you guys want to see on this thing. I think we'll be able to bring it to a bunch of different spots, like abandoned places. I know a lot of you guys like that. I do still need to get some more gear. I have to get some boots, and I also have to get pants as well. Right now I'm just wearing like sweatpants. But that brings us to the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, drop a sub, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.